Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Subaru Motors Finance account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.subarumotorsfinance.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Subaru Motors Finance. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Simply click on the sign in option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to log into the Subaru Motors Finance account. All you have to do is enter your username and password over here. So click on the field of username and enter the username. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option, forget username or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now, after you enter username and password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, if you have enabled the authentication, you have to go through the two-factor authentication. Simply go through it and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Subaru Motors Finance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.